everyone, this week is about C3 solutions. First question is compare and contrast the Smart and the C3 reservation. First, for software characteristic aspect. Yard Smart is a native Windows application. It uses Microsoft Windows COM or COM Plus architecture and the Delphi programming language. C3 Reservation is a web-based application developed using Java and some Flex components. It uses a more open technology stack, includes Java, Flex, and runs on GUN or Linux. For stakeholders, YardSmart involves Delphi developers, serving warehouse and terminal managers, logistics operators, and cargo carriers. The C3 reservation involves developers of Java, Flex, and open source technologies, primarily serving enterprise customers and suppliers. For deployment aspect, while YardSmart is primarily based on traditional desktop application technologies, C3 Reservation introduced more modern web technologies, including Java and Flex. For release aspect, the release of YardSmart can involve a long cycle and a complex process, probably 6 to 12 months. C3 Reservation uses a more automated continuous integration release process. For deployment aspect, YardSmart is deployed in a local Windows environment. C3 reservations can run on GUN or Linux for a more flexible web-based deployment. Second question, the three main issues in supporting YardSmart. First is building and release challenges. C3 has encountered challenges in the building and releasing of YardSmart, and the manual steps involved can cause errors. Finding critical errors during quality assurance sometimes requires multiple builds, resulting in delays and insufficient resources. Second is the customer environment cannot be accurately simulated for testing and debugging. The customer introduced complex hardware and software configurations that were difficult to replicate within the company. Test on virtual machine cannot fully isolate variables. Third, complexity of enterprise software delivery. Major releases and upgrades need to be coordinated with customers, leading to irregular and sometimes unpredictable schedules. This complexity, coupled with resource instability, leads to long development phases followed by intense testing phases. Third, Y3 reservation is a SaaS solution. Has 12 reasons. First is cloud-based delivery model. C3 reservations runs on a cloud infrastructure with software hosted on remote servers. Second is adopt a subscription-based pricing model. Customers only pay a regular fee to acquire and use the software. Third, C3 reservations are accessed via an internet browser. This eliminates location-related restrictions. Next is centralized management. C3 reservations are centrally managed by C3. This includes aspects such as software updates, maintenance, and security. Last is scalability and flexibility, enabling C3 to adapt to a growing number of users and increased demand. It also provides a flexible environment where updates and enhancements can be rolled out seamlessly. And also there have 6 impact of sales on C3 customer. First is cost effective. SaaS eliminates the need for initial hardware investment and software licensing. Second, accessibility and convenience. Access anywhere with an internet connection enables users to work remotely, increasing productivity. Third, automatic updates. C3 handles software updates and maintenance centrally. This ensures that customers are always using the latest version of C3 resolution. Next, predictable fees. The subscription-based model provides customers with predictable and recurring fees. Fifth is reduced IT overhead. Customers can focus on leveraging applications rather than dealing with IT complexity. This can lead to a more streamlined and efficient workflow. Last is SaaS allows for easy scalability to adapt to the challenging needs of customers. So first question is Nicholas' main objective. First is adapting to the challenging technology environment, the limitation and the challenges of the existing technology stack, and the emergence of new technology. NET and the growing popularity of web application indicate that the industry is challenging. Second is overcoming economic challenges. Subscription models based on transaction payments provide a stable revenue stream during economic downturns. Third, improve deployment and maintenance efficiency. By hosting C3 reservations on the cloud, C3 can centrally manage infrastructure. Fourth, improve the customer experience. The SaaS model provides customers with greater accessibility, flexibility, and ease of use. Last is scalability and resilience. That makes it easier for C3 to scale its services to accommodate a growing number of customers. Overall, Nicholas aims to position C3 as a forward-thinking, customer-centric, and technologically adaptable company by embracing the SaaS model. Five, the challenges of YardSmart and challenges for new model. The first challenge is cross-browser problem. YardSmart uses a CLM or CLM Plus architecture and Delphi programming language causes cross-browser issues. To solve this, we can C3 adopting new technologies. C3 decided to move to a new Java environment because of its maturity and widespread use in enterprise software and the availability of open source solutions. Second challenge is technical limitations. YardSmart's architecture is outdated, unable to effectively respond to the development of emerging technologies. To solve this, C3 introduced Flex technology. Flex renders the user interface by using a virtual machine instead of FlashFlare plugin, ensuring that the code looks and behaves the same across browsers. Third challenge is the effects of the recession. C3 experienced a decrease in IT projects, resulting in delay and cancellations of YardSmart deployments. Solution is moving to a SaaS model. This strategy provides a more a predictable revenue stream and simplified the deployment process. So the last question is the issues during the transformation period and how were they addressed? The first issue is deployment and release challenges. During the development and release of C3 reservations, challenges were encountered with automated and manual steps that made the build, test, and validation process time-consuming. The solution is introducing continuous integration process to automate building, configuring, and deploying components. This reduces the pressure on resources and improves the efficiency of development. Second is testing in diverse environment per problem. Testing and debugging are complicated by the inability to accurately simulate the customer's environment, especially if the customer uses a variety of hardware and software configuration. So C3 introduced virtual machines to better simulate the customer environment. Continuously integration can discover and solve problems in time, improving the stability of the system. Third is the complexity of the enterprise software delivery. Yard Smart needs to work with customer on the customer side to configure the software to meet their business needs. So the solution is the continuous integration process simplifies the configuration and delivery of software. At the same time, the adoption of the SaaS model reduces the complexity of deployment. Fourth is scaling issues. As more customers use C3 reservation, the requirement for development, build deployment, and release increase, strain in resources. Solution is continuous integration process were introduced to automate builds and releases. Fifth is architecture challenges to C3 reservation. The process of changing C3 reservations to a SaaS model required adjusting existing server and client code, which was a cumbersome process. Solution is the SaaS model was successfully implemented by completely improving the server and client code and gradually resolving the issues with the new version. Thanks.